Hey guys, it's Charlex, and today we're going to be teaching you how to make an intro just like the one that's about to play now. Hey guys, it's Charlex, back with another video today. Today we are going to be we have another how-to series, or how-to video in the series, and we are going to be going over how to make a YouTube intro on YouTube. So those of you who want to know how to make a YouTube intro, then you might want to watch this video. It will explain a lot of things and will be very clear how we can make intros, and then maybe I'll show you how to make an outro. It's kind of the same process. So
on the app called Intro Maker.
Yeah, well, we'll explain that all. So let's get into it. So, okay, the first step to this is you're going to want to download the app Intro Maker in the App Store. Completely free, but there are a couple of ads. We're doing this on an iPad, and the screen will be sideways, so don't look at us. Turn your screen, do whatever to make it look it. Okay, so right now we are browsing intros. Yeah, we're browsing, like you can choose just the design of your intro. We're just going to go with the basic one. The first one. Because we're recording this after we already made it, so
you have to download it.
Yeah.
And then we are just gonna play this like once.
So you can choose your own music and everything, and you can
title.
Yeah, you can name your title, name subtitles, everything. It's gonna be it's easy and fun to do.
So yeah.
Yeah, right now we were just kind of like, we made a mistake, and I accidentally pressed the check button because we hadn't made an intro in a while, but sorry about that.
At Sprint, our priority is keeping our customers employed.
So I think we changed the title.
Yeah, so all you have to do is click on the title. You just click on it, and then you can choose it. Like, we just called it Hi.
Because we had nothing else.
And then
you can change your font to whatever you want.
Yeah.
So we chose that purple one over there that I click. A sec. Yeah, we chose that one.
Yeah, but wait, cool. we're just gonna use this one for example. So when you play it, it'll show Hi. And that's what it'll show. And you can also change your music. Yes.
So right now it's like on epic battle music. I think.
This is just a certain mode where you can choose your sparks.
Yeah, but that's not for all of them. It's just for this particular one.
Yeah, we didn't choose this intro. That's why we don't have like a sparks option or something.
Yeah, if we did that, we would totally put in sparks.
So now this is where you choose your music. You're gonna want to press intro music for your YouTube intro.
So we chose Dizzy, the second one.
Yeah, but you can go through all of these intros, and then you can choose whichever one you want to play. So this is just the clown one. So, but it has to have the plus sign. I think you can buy a membership that lets you be able to download all of them. But you're gonna want to use one of the intro songs to make
Unless
it look
you
good.
don't.
So we chose Fade Out, and then it'll be like that. So it'll say your title, and then it'll be Fade Out.
But as you see, it's still epic battle music because we didn't actually change it.
Yeah, but you're gonna work harder on this, but. This is just, and then you would upload it, and then it's saved into your photos.
At Sprint, our priority is keeping our customers, employees, and community.
Yeah.
That was just an ad. So now you just press save, and it's in your photos, and then you can play it through. You can edit it, and it's an easy process. And that's how you make a YouTube intro. To the outro. Hey guys, thank you for watching our video.
Yeah, I hope you learned some useful information on how to make an intro.
Yeah, how to make a YouTube intro. Sorry for the sideways screen. It's just how the intro works differently, and the face cam works differently. But you can tilt it sideways. You don't have to pay attention to us.
Just hear us out.
Yeah, just hear us. I do hope it was kind of unclear, but I still do hope you learned something out of it. And thanks you for watching.
If you haven't already subscribed, please subscribe.
Into the outro.